Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change font on Snapchat messages. Now go ahead and open up your Snapchat application to do that. Once it's done, you'll be appear with the camera section. Now go ahead and open up the chat section. So in here you can chat with anyone. So let's say I'll just choose my AI to chat with. So I'll just type in something in the message box. And let me tell you guys something that Snapchat does not allow you to change the font on Snapchat messages, but what you can do is make the chat bigger or smaller. You can just change the size of the text. So how can you do is you can just go ahead and tap on that little arrow which is on upside and downside. Now just drag it to upper side until it gets fixed and release it now and just send it. So as you can see on the screen that my text has gotten bigger, it is on bold size. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.